Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. Today is Monday. I know it's a little different because my weekly vlog usually starts on Monday, but yesterday I went to IKEA eye shopping. I told you guys I will make a different footage for IKEA shopping, so I did. I just want to talk you guys how my moving is going on. There are so many stuff I want to share today. First, yesterday I finally ordered some stuff on IKEA. A lot. I just bought the most important thing, like bed frame and mattress, those kind of stuff, and I ordered some cooking stuff. Whenever I do things I planned at once, it makes me really anxious and stressed about that. I'm trying to do my best to put not many stuff in a basket at the same time, you know what I mean? So try to do my plan separately, small amount but every single day, like have it. And yesterday I did some journal, really good journal session. I just want to share some of that. I just wrote a big topic I want to write down for myself, like YouTube ideas, Instagram, meal plan, self-care, why I come to Canada, my strength, things I've achieved, my ideal lifestyle, what makes me anxious, fearful, worry, and how much does it cost to have the best lifestyle for me. I want to have a conversation with myself. Just wrote down that today's plan is just going to a cafe because there's a Starbucks near here too. Edit and upload the IKEA shopping stuff. Let's go Starbucks and seize my day. The day before moving in my new apartment. So happy and glad. Today's all my plan is just doing chores kind of things I don't want to do but I should get done to leave. First, I set up the schedule. I will move in tomorrow, so I'm gonna tell about that to the manager of that building, and then I will go to Rogers. I should pick up the modem to install Wi-Fi tomorrow because you know Wi-Fi is freaking important. Today I wear this Innisfree lip gloss. I'm in the mood to using lip gloss. Yesterday I just contacted a lot of Korean beauty brands. I just sent a lot of emails like, I'm a Korean, I can speak Korean and English. Right now I currently live in Toronto, Canada, so it's gonna be great to support me, aka sponsor me for creating Korean beauty kind of videos to introduce North America, those kind of stuff, hopefully. So company wants to help me. See you tomorrow in my new apartment. Hi guys, today is Thursday and I finally moved in and there's nothing in my room. Yeah, just all the mess because my furniture hasn't arrived yet. Nothing is here, just all the mess, but things gonna get better. It's just gonna take some time. Yeah. Oh, all my plan is, it's a little annoying because I have to go to Rogers. That's a telephone company because they told me like the cable code is already set up, but it doesn't. So I have to go to the store again to get the cable. After that, I will go to grocery shopping and get some stuff. That's all my plans. Setting up the Wi-Fi, buying some food, and organizing all the stuff. Yeah. Still in progress. I'm dying. I'm tired. But I finally set up the Wi-Fi. So happy about that. I struggled a lot, but I finally did. Anyway, I'm organizing all my stuff and see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, today's Thursday and all my plan is today waiting for my IKEA shipment. Yesterday I slept on my floor and there's no blanket, there's no pillow or something, but it was good experience just for one day, right? And after getting the delivery, I'll definitely go to grocery shopping before the sun goes down because literally it's so cold and I don't want to go outside in the cold weather. Right now, I'm kind of productive because I do makeup and I change my clothing and I don't wear a sweatpants. You can see, I wear leggings. Alright, I'm so excited because I got the old stuff from IKEA. Wow, gonna show you guys. a lot of stuff. Hopefully I can finish all the stuff today. So, have a beautiful day. Bye. Hi guys, today is Friday. Happy Friday. And there are so many things I want to share. Today, I finally got the package from IKEA, but all the packages were so heavy, so I just spent a lot of energy to open them, and I bought a screwdriver for making them today. But there are a lot of progresses because I didn't sleep on the floor. I slept on the mattress, and I had a blanket yesterday. You can see there is a mirror. I have a mirror. And mattress, bedsheet, and pillow, chair. Sorry, my room is so messy. And there's a table, and they're all about bedding frames. Today, all my plan is making them look like a real furniture by using this screwdriver. And fortunately, the weather is freaking good to just staying home to make them. Snowing stops, but it's really windy and cold. I also bought some kitchen utensils, and I bought a ring light. I bought that when I was in Korea, but that was broken, so I repurchased the same stuff here. I got a yoga mat. I love pink color, so I'm pretty excited about to use it. And the foam is really thick, so I like it. And my life update is we purchased this L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation again. Yeah, because I really like the glow on my face. I'm not a big fan of thick foundation, although my skin is not that good. Bye.
The different expressions mean the exact same thing. The symbols can change.
Alright, the reason why I go outside, I freaking need a hammer to make that bed. Like, to make that stable, I need a hammer. So, for finishing that, I'm going outside, and that's a good cause for having a decaf coffee. Hi guys, today is Saturday, and I want to show you guys my room a little bit because there is a lot of progress. Definitely, I had a hard time yesterday to assemble some of my furniture, but I haven't finished them yet. But it looks like a little bit of a human being's room. I made this chair, and I made this table too. I will assemble this mirror today, and bed, but I haven't finished yet. It was the hardest thing ever I've assembled IKEA's furniture, and my plan is I'm gonna call the assemblers because I cannot do that alone. It's too heavy. There's a laundry box. These are the stuff for bed frame, so that's pretty much all about it. I didn't expect that I can finish that at once all, but that's life. And today all my plan is I'm gonna edit and upload the weekly vlog, including this footage, and I will assemble the mirror and another pot. I ordered bedding sheet from H&M. I got the stuff yesterday. This is sheet for mattress, gray, and this is pretty pink. So I'm so excited, and after assembling all the stuff, I will definitely do the laundry for using them. I ordered other stuff. I want to use it for like having food. It's a bowl. On the screen it looks big, but actually it's still small, so I'm gonna use this for keeping my old accessories like rings, earrings, those kind of stuff. How cute. There's a bear. Yeah, this is all I want to say, and Saturday is quite chill. I like it. Anyway, all have happy Saturday, a weekend, and see you on my next video.